Ever wondered how designers get the live phone preview right to their Figma designs just like this? I'm going to show you that in this quick tutorial. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to move to the right panel here and move to prototype. All right, so when you move to prototype, then you move to prototype settings here, and then you pick any of these types of iPhone that you want as a preview. So I'm going to pick iPhone 16 Plus here. As you can see, it shows here. So I'm going to go back to design and just select a frame. You can select any frame at all, or if you still want to go with the iPhone 16 Pro. So as you can see here, I have selected iPhone 16 here. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to click on it, then I'll go to the drop down arrow here. All right, then I'll click on preview here. So as you can see, the live phone has displayed at the left side of this frame here. So let me just try and type something to show you how it works. So I'm going to type, let's say, welcome over here like this. So let me do another thing. I'm going to pick a rectangle and then draw a simple rectangle here. So you can see that everything I'm doing on this particular frame is being displayed live on this phone over here, as you can see. All right, so let me just quickly pick a color of that, and you see that the color has also changed. So everything you're doing will basically be displaying on this phone screen over here. So this is how you preview your designs on a phone live when you are designing in Figma. Please, if you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to share and subscribe to the channel for more.